Hello, welcome to an e-demo on maps in a Victor Enterprise environment. Today we're going to take a look at how maps behave in the enterprise and how we can use them on the SAS and on the MAS. I'm going to start out here on the SAS. I'm first of all going to open up Victor Unified Client, and I'm going to go ahead and create a quick map which we can use for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to go to the Build tab, Maps and New, and I'm going to create my map. Just going to give it a name first of all. I could also enter a description there if I wanted to. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose this button over here and import a drawing file for use as a background image. I'm just going to navigate to that file, select it, and I'm going to choose import then. And that's going to import as the background image of my map. And now I'm ready then to add some icons to the map. So I'm going to expand out my recorders folder, and I'm going to drag and drop one of my cameras from my device list onto the map. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it more clearly. Okay, so I'm just going to choose Save and Close, and that is a map created on our SAS. And of course, we can open that then from the Home tab on the SAS. Just choose Maps, choose the name of the map, and there is that map ready for use for monitoring our system on the SAS. If I move over to the MAS then, and again, I'm going to open up Victor Unified Client. This time, I'm going to go to the Build tab. I'm going to choose Maps and Show All, and you'll see that that map from the SAS is appearing in the dynamic view on the MAS. The reason for that is that all maps in the entire enterprise will be available on the MAS. I can right click on it and I can choose View. It's going to open up that map and we can see the facility there, and we have full control over this map on the MAS, so we can hover over icons and see live video, for example. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to close out of this map. I'm going to choose the Build tab, and I'm going to choose Maps and New, and we're going to create another map on the MAS, and this is going to be a map of the entire site, and we're going to use that for monitoring our system on the MAS. So again, I'm going to import a background image, and I'm going to choose Import there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this green plus icon, and I'm going to add that first map to this second map, and that is because this map on the MAS is going to be used by operators on the MAS to monitor the entire enterprise, and they'll be able to navigate through all of the maps by doing that. I'm going to right click then, choose drop on map for the icon, and select our original map from the SAS, choose OK, and I'm going to choose OK again, and save and close. So that map then will be available for operators on the MAS. If I choose the Home tab and Maps, you'll see there is that site map. I can select it and open it, and I can click on that map icon. That's going to open up the map from the SAS. But if we go back over to the SAS itself, I'm going to open up Victor just again. You'll see if I go to the Home tab and Maps, we do not have availability of any maps from the MAS on the SAS. We just have our local maps.